Alright, y'all, so it's cleanup day. My house is a mess. Okay. It's the kitchen and the living room for the most part. I just folded up a pile of clothes that has been sitting there for a little minute. For a couple of days now. And I got stuff on the floor right there that need to be put away. So come on, let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I'm super excited because my house is clean, baby. It's the kitchen and the living room for the most part. Look at that. Ooh. 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 Look at that dining room table. Ooh. Okay. Here come the kitchen. Kitchen coming in. Kitchen. Kitchen is done. Yes, Lord. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to relax and enjoy my nice clean house. Y'all just don't understand. I don't know what I was going through these last couple weeks, but I have just not been in my best mindset. But we reeled it back in, and now we back at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shape, baby.